Hello everyone, we are with another video for today, day 2, learning Python from zero to hero. And today we are going to talk about other topic, other important topic. Um, Yesterday we talked about variables. Variables, in summarize, we can say it's a box like where we can storage different types of values like strings, numbers, or ints and floats, and the others type of values. We are going to review again this topic, specifically data types, and we are going to review that, and then we are going to pass another topic. Where Yeah, let's go. Here, as you can say, I have data types, and in Python we have different types data type. Here, you can say improving data types is an important concept. Variables can store data of data types. Here, uh, we have text type. It's a str. Numeric types, int, float, complex, sequence types, list, tuple, range, mapping type, dict, set, from set, boolean type, binary types, non-types. We have all of this. Okay. How can I get the data type? We can use the function of type for get the data type. For example, here print, if you have here a variable and it's equal to a number, for example, I'm going to uh, okay, I'm going to click here, and I have here, okay, I'm going to zoom. Yeah, uh, I have here a variable x, it's equal to 5, and I want to know what kind of data type is it. I have I could use this function print type. I use the function of type and the variable name x. And here in the terminal, I have this result, class int. This means that x store an int value. Okay, this number is value. If I change this for another data, for example, uh, Michael Daniel, I run this. In the terminal, I have this result, str. Okay, I have here true, for example, true, and I want to have another result, bool, okay, from boolean. Okay, you cannot convert complex numbers into another type. You cannot convert complex numbers into another number type. Okay, here me say you can not convert. Okay, please don't do that. Finally, we have random number. This is very important because in some project we are going to use this method or this function because we are going to want obtain or get a random number. Okay, Python does not have a random function to make random number, but Python has a built-in module called random. Okay, this is a module we are going to import in our program, in our file, and we can obtain numbers like this. Import the random module and display a random number from 1 to 9. Import random, print random, .rand range from 1 to 11. Sorry, from 1 to 10. In our model reference, you will learn more. Okay, more in next video. We're going to talk about that. Okay, that's it. For finish this video, we're going to do this exercise. Sorry, we're going to do this exercise, which is not a legal numeric data type in Python, which is not legal numeric. Okay, please let me know in the comments. You can let me know how is the answer, And remember, you can subscribe to this channel and let your like. This is a challenge for 30 days where I'm learning Python in English for improve my English um and challenging me, okay? Challenging myself to improve my conversation, my fluency, and learn more vocabulary, expand my knowledge, etc, etc, okay? Please, deja tu like y comenta qué te parece este video. Si te gustaría más videos como este, no te olvides de suscribirte, dejar tu comentario y nada. We are going to do this exercise again, which is not a legal numeric data type in Python, which is not a legal numeric data type. Float, int, long. We had view, long, right? Long. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay, that's it for this video. We're going to see in the next video. Bye bye.